Independence Day, 4th of July. It's too much, right? The hat? Yeah, let's change it up. How about this? Let's make some really good turkey burgers. Turkey burgers that actually taste good for the crew, for the family, for the holiday weekend. So I got some ground turkey burgers that I already made. I threw in some French's mustard, ketchup, some Worcestershire, some sauce, some McCormick garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I threw that all together with the turkey burger meat and threw that in the fridge for about 30 minutes while they form. It's time to throw them on the grill. Take number 1. When you're working with ground turkey, you want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Make sure they come in at 165 degrees. Now that our burger's on there, we're gonna make our homemade barbecue sauce. I wanna add some molasses, just over some medium heat, French's ketchup, yellow mustard, and some more. We're gonna add some Frank's RedHot. And I like hot, so I'm gonna add a lot. And we're just gonna mix it up. Look at you, you're a multitasking grill master. Ooh, yeah, looking good. So my burgers are flipped. I wanna make sure they're done. You get our handy meat thermometer, go in at the side right there. We're ready to go. So I'm gonna take the sauce. You could use cheese if you want, but I'm gonna use this sauce that I just made, slather right on there. Woo, just serve them up like that. Hey y'all, make your grandma proud this July 4th and give us some juicy turkey burgers. It's time to celebrate. Where my sparklers at? Woo.